Hey guys! Today I'll show you how you can make money online with Shopify. So let's get started. Shopify is one of the easiest ways to start an online business, even if you have zero experience. It allows you to create your own store, sell products, and accept payments from anywhere in the world. The best part is, you don't even need to keep inventory if you use the right method. First, go to Shopify and sign up for an account. Once you're inside your dashboard, the first step is to choose what you want to sell. A popular option is dropshipping, where you sell products without storing them yourself. You simply list products from suppliers, and when someone places an order, the supplier ships it directly to the customer. Next, you'll want to design your store. Shopify provides free themes that you can customize easily. Make sure your store looks clean, professional, and trustworthy. Add high-quality product images, clear descriptions, and pricing that leaves you a profit margin. After that, it's time to add products. You can use apps like Printify for print-on-demand products like t-shirts and mugs, or connect with suppliers using apps like Deesers. Choose products that solve a problem or are trending in the market. Now comes the most important part, getting traffic. You can promote your store using social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Short videos showing your product in action can go viral and bring in a lot of customers. You can also run paid ads if you have a budget. Another smart strategy is to build a brand instead of just selling random products. Create a niche store, for example, fitness, pets, or tech gadgets, and focus on a specific audience. This helps you stand out and build trust over time. Once you start getting orders, make sure to provide good customer service. Reply to messages quickly, keep customers updated, and handle refunds professionally. This builds long-term success and repeat buyers. Finally, track your results. Shopify has built-in analytics that show your sales, traffic, and customer behavior. Use this data to improve your store and scale what's working. Making money with Shopify isn't instant, but with consistency, testing, and the right strategy, it can turn into a solid online income stream. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.